Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. Today we're going to do some shots from jeans. So we're gonna take pants that look like this. They're like below the knee, kind of long shorts, I guess, and turn them into this super lovely shorts. It came out so good, yeah. Okay, so these pants I got them in a thrift shop, but they're from Marks and Spencer for about £30. I got mine for £2. Yay! Discount, saving all the time, yeah. So I got this from a thrift shop. I wanted to buy shorts, but I couldn't find, so I bought the next best thing, and I was just going to upcycle it and do it myself. It's my first time to do this, but yep, I like it. I'm going to do more. So as you can see, the pants, that's how they look. They fit me. It's a size 10. So I just look around and see the length I wanted. So I took a tape measure and marked it. I marked both sides. I didn't want them too short, but yeah. So after that I came to cut. These are the things that we're going to use: scissors, steak knife. I was gonna try with a small grater, but yeah, in the end I didn't use it. So I saw some videos saying you should cut them at an angle, not just straight. So that's what I was trying to do right here. Yep, so I cut them at an angle, shorter towards the upper thigh. So you're supposed to just fold it and then cut the other side to duplicate what you just did on one end, and repeat it on the other side. Yep, try to match them and cut as close as possible. My scissors wasn't that sharp. Okay, so now I'm just going to try it on for the first time and see how it looks like. This is how it looks like after I cut it. It's the right length. That's the length I was aiming for. Yeah, but I had to kind of straighten it a bit more. It wasn't level, it wasn't on the same length. So I did do some measurements with my tape measure. Trying to be a pro here, but yeah. So I just kind of measured the inseam, the middle, and the outer leg. It was just a bit like a few centimeters difference. So I marked it and tried to put a straight line on there, and to see where I'm going to cut. On this side it wasn't I didn't need to do much, but it was a bit crooked, so I was just trying to straighten the line. Yep, cut it all out, the excess length. Yep, so now after I leveled it, I was gonna start cutting it out. You need to put up about 3 inches apart and then use your steak knife. Mine was a bit blunt, but yeah, like I said, it's my first time. But so you use a steak knife to make a cut into the jeans. I use the the box underneath so that I don't cut all through the other piece, but it was kind of difficult, so maybe because my knife was not sharp, but I had a bit of a rough time trying to cut a straight line through with the box underneath. So you're going to cut the line and then kind of scrape on the opposite direction. So I made 3 lines, but I believe you can make as many as you want. I just had to remove that and do it right on the working desk. Yep, I made the strips a bit longer and making sure I don't cut the other end of the back of my shorts. So that's something to pay attention to. And then after I cut, I just scraped it off, kind of like brushed it with the same knife. It's a steak knife, so it has some rough edges, yeah. So, and repeat on the other side what you did on the left or right. Yeah, so once again, just cut about 2 inches from the beginning. And then cut 3 lines and then do the same. Cut the 3 lines and then kind of rub it or scratch it around with the knife. I wish my knife was sharper, but it still did the job. But yep, you need a sharper steak knife. Yes, once again, after I cut the lines, I scrape them out. Yeah, it's starting to look good. I wanted to lengthen that line. It was a bit short, so a bit towards the midline or something. Yep, so I did a trial. This is how it's coming on. I like how it looks already. Yep, so I decided I'm gonna make it more distressed on the waist and on the pockets. Yep, so here we are. I'm trying to do some distressed look near the pockets. So just trying to cut a few lines with the steak knife. It was proving hard with the card. Maybe I should have used something harder than what I had. That was too soft. Maybe I'll get a nice wood thing. Yep, so I kept doing kind of distressing it, kind of trying to get some lines on the hooks, on the waist. Anyway, in the meantime, if I can do this, anyone can. It's actually so absolutely my first time to ever try this. Now I cannot wait to make, I think they're called the pencil jeans. Pencil, no, I don't know. Once I make them, I'll find their names, but it's kind of the same thing, but ankle grazer, but with some ragged, I don't know what it's called. Someone tell me on the comment, yeah. But that's what I'm gonna make next. Anyway, so I kept distressing it some more cuts here and there. Yeah, they are trying to be gentle, not to go all the way through. Tried with the grater because I thought I just need something with rough edges, but no, it was kind of peeling off the jeans, if I must say, like lint, so I thought it's not worth it. It's just something I was trying. Yeah, that's what I'm removing there. It's kind of scraped off the fabric, made some lint on it. After I thought about the hem, but before that I decided to cut at the back, and this is how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. Then I decided I'm gonna pull some strips on the end, on the leg. Yep, I just pulled it because I know once I start washing it, it looks to come out, so I just did it for the moment. Yep, so I just pulled randomly, no technique, no design in place. I was just pulling any string. And then I just cut off the longer ones, just a little bit. And here are my shorts, finally, yay! I like them, they look good. That's not how I intended to wear them, but just for the sake of the picture. I made it for a kimono, which I will make pictures of soon. Yep, that's how it looks like. Yep, I like it. Share with me if you ever try this, and I hope you enjoy the video. So on the next picture, that's actually the whole outfit. That's what I was wearing. Yep, see you next time. I hope you enjoy that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks.